Are you tired of the daily commute and dreaming of a flexible work schedule? You're not alone. Today, we'll explore some awesome, diverse remote jobs you can do at night, and they're all offering great pay and freedom. Now, then, while online job agencies are a great resource, sometimes you need a fresh approach to find the perfect work from home opportunity that's right for you. So let's dive into these exciting remote jobs you can do at night with options for both beginners and experienced individuals and others who might benefit from brushing up on their skills. Guys, are you ready? Okay. I know entrepreneurship isn't for everyone, so I'm going to share with you some super remote jobs, and here's how you can make money online working remotely from home. The first job might not be for everyone, but stick with me because the next one might just be that $1 million idea that works for you. This one is called voice acting. So, voice acting can be a lucrative remote job with audiobooks on platforms like Audible. Being an example, it doesn't necessarily require prior experience, but honing your voice control and practicing different styles can definitely give you an edge. Most of these books are narrated by voice actors who've been hired and who are making good money. You can earn anything from $50 to $500 per finished hour using platforms like ACX. The pay is based on the total amount of time recorded and the final edited audiobook. But most importantly, you are to stick with it because it's a great way to make money from home at night, wherever or whenever you want. Now, another great opportunity, which I've talked about before, is becoming a virtual assistant on Upwork. For those who don't know, Upwork is a freelance website and is a fantastic platform to become a virtual assistant. You'll gain valuable experience in various tasks, building your client base while enjoying the flexibility of setting your own work schedule. And freelancers can offer their services, and this is where you come in. So, then a while back, I was looking for a virtual assistant position for myself because I thought it was something I could do. And guess what? Anyone can be a virtual assistant. And if you don't know how to do something, just use YouTube and Google to find the answer for whatever help your client needs. It's that simple. What I love about these freelance jobs is that they aren't your typical 9 to 5. You just need to make sure you meet your deadlines. However, if you don't have any references or reviews and you're wondering why someone would hire you, here's a tip. You offer your service for free for 1 week. This way, clients can experience your work at no risk to them. Now, if they like you and your work, then at that point, you can move forward with paid services. So, if you're interested in making money on Upwork, I highly recommend trying this. Their sign up process is simple. Just click on the sign up button and create your account. It's a great way to get your foot in the door, and once you're in, you're in. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome or welcome back to my channel where I help everyday people like you earn money online. All I ask in return is for you to show some love by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video with your friends and family to help our channel grow. Please also leave me a comment below letting me know how you're getting on. Now, let's explore another exciting work remote opportunity. This is perfect for those of you who enjoy and have a knack for photography and enjoy creating photo packages, primarily for food recipes, showcasing mouth-watering food visuals. Imagine helping bloggers bring their recipes to life with stunning photos. The best part is you can set your own schedule and work at night if that fits in with your lifestyle. There are endless content ideas and even exclusive online communities where bloggers connect with freelance photographers, making it easier to find clients, where bloggers are looking to buy those photo packages. If you think this isn't real, think again, and you don't need any experience to get started. A lot of people don't know about this opportunity, and the best part is you don't have to show your face or get on social media. You work on your own schedule, making it a great remote job. You can do it at night or whenever you want. If you need a job at night, this is definitely something for you to consider. The next job is incredibly minimal and flexible. Do you have an eye for detail and enjoy working with numbers? Good. Then becoming a remote bookkeeper might be a great fit. As a bookkeeper, you'll record financial transactions, analyze the data, and report back to your client once a month. While some bookkeeping roles require experience, there are also opportunities suitable for beginners who don't have any experience. You can go ahead and take online courses to learn the essentials, and it's a great way to get started. And you can do really well with this in a small amount of time because the workload is typically minimal, requiring just 1 to 4 hours per month per client. Imagine earning $400 to $500 per client while working remotely on your own time. Lastly, I really want you to consider flipping furniture, and some of you might possibly need to do this out of necessity. If you're creative and enjoy DIY projects, then furniture flipping can be a rewarding way to make money from home. You can find pieces on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, refurbish them, and then resell them for a profit. Guys, it's important to set realistic expectations. So, to start small, find inspiration online and gradually grow your business. Remember, YouTube is a treasure trove of free tutorials to help you learn the ropes. So, here's an idea for you to start with. Go buy a $50 nightstand from Facebook Marketplace, refurbish it, and flip it for $195 back on Facebook Marketplace. Next week, you are going to get something else. Fix it up and sell it for a higher price. As you keep doing this, your earnings will grow, and in 6 months to a year, you could be making between 10 and 20,000 per month. It fluctuates, but that's excellent money indeed. Straight up, guys, here's a real life example of this. There's a girl on Instagram by the name of Lily, and she's doing furniture flip DIY and making a ton of money. Her handle is at the Furniture Doctor, so go check her out for more inspiration. I really wanted to share this video about remote jobs at night, and these are just a few remote jobs you can explore to make money at night. For more ideas, check out my free guide with a 54 digital product ideas, link in the description below, to sell online. Also, let me know in the comments which jobs interested you the most, so I know you stayed on to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye for now.